There's breaking news just coming in. Supreme Court has come down heavily on Noida DM's decision for sealing the entire area instead of isolating only patients' house. The Supreme Court has observed that Noida is following norms which are not as per the national guidelines. That's the latest coming in right there. Supreme Court putting up the Noida District Magistrate on this order of sealing the entire area instead of isolating only patients' house. Anisha Mathur bringing us the very latest. So Anisha, let me get this straight. Across the country, in case you have positive patients, then instead of sealing the area, the patient's house needs to be sealed, and the Noida DM seems to be in violation of this order. Anisha?
Chaiti, let me just correct you there a little bit. What the Supreme Court has said is that are you putting asymptomatic patients in home quarantine or are you putting them in institutional quarantine? That is taking them to the quarantine center. That is what the issue had been raised because the UP government in its reply or regarding reopening of the Noida-Delhi border has said that we don't want to reopen right now because Delhi has about 40 times the case that Delhi that Noida and Ghaziabad right now have, and Delhi has allowed home quarantine of persons who have tested positive, and in that situation we are afraid that if people have tested positive, then their friends and family who come to Noida will spread the disease here. Now on that issue, the Supreme Court has asked, how exactly are you putting asymptomatic persons in institutional quarantine when the national guidelines say that if you're asymptomatic, then you can get into home quarantine? On that issue, the court has asked for clarity from the Noida DM, from the UP government and from the center, that what exactly are the rules that are being followed in Noida, whether the national rules are being followed in Noida, and the court has very clearly said you cannot have different rules being implemented by different states. Everyone has to follow the same guidelines, otherwise there will be chaos. Back to you.
Absolutely, that's fantastic. Anisha Mathur getting us this story, getting us the clarification as far as what the Supreme Court has said and how these national guidelines need to be followed across the country and not just different in different states. Thanks much, Anisha, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.